How we looking today, Biggs? Looking good, no? Yeah, good. Yeah, great day to be a bull, huh? To a bag full of cash. Oh yeah. What happened, Putt? That a boy, Putt. Look at that! Look at that thing go. Yeah.
To the Jays trading.
Oh yeah.
D, look at PayPal now. What do you think? 165, 50s?
Dude,
I just look, I'm look
70. 70.
70.
Yeah, man, 70 at this point.
Okay. Well, I'm just looking at the weekly. I'm just trying to find a spot to take some profits, man, because this position's doing well.
Yeah, you want to take some profits sooner than that, then look at
That's
this
what, yeah,
63.50 Bigs.
that's what I mean.
Just
I'm looking
gapped
at
up
like
here.
65,
Yeah,
50
yeah,
on a weekly charts.
something in the 64s, 64.
Okay.
But we again, realistically, I mean, I don't know how many shares you got still, but you're talking about 40 cents from here if we're talking about 64, right? So if you want to wait all the way
Yeah.
till it gets up to the 200, that's 64.76. You're gonna squeeze another buck out of it. So if you just want to snag something because of the gap up, well, you sell a little bit here then.
Yeah, I got you.
Maybe you can give them a couple shares here, Biggs, and buy yourself, you know, nice little 12 pack or something, just to feel like you did something today.
Yeah.
Looks like I got out of that IWM right time.
Oh boy. Now we're starting to cook over here, fellas. Just going through the
Yeah, man, it seems like when you do those watch lists, like early evening,
Yeah.
it either gets blown through up or down overnight a lot.
You see that? That means that just means my levels are that good, but what do we get? What was it? I had Upstart, right? Upstart I know was on there. That thing gapped up over the pivot. So like in something like that, normally I don't like to see that happen, obviously, because it took out my range. But like, I'll just use Upstart for an example. So Upstart had a great day yesterday, good daily candle breakout. So anything over yesterday's highs looked great, right? 43, right around that price. This thing gapped up and touched 46.82. So what would happen now on a gap up like that or a blowout of one of those levels? Now I would need to see 46.90 get taken out, right? That's what I would need to see. If it never gets taken out, like today, obviously, there's no trade there. It'll remain on my watch list. I still got an alert for it, so maybe I'll circle back to it tomorrow or something. But if this thing goes, over 46.90, it's definitely got some room. I don't know what else. I only put a couple of them in there yesterday.
Target,
yeah. Did that blow it out too? Goddamn retailer is looking strong too.
yeah.
So yeah, I mean, look at that. So on Target, for example, 139.53 was the pre-market highs, and then if I go to a 5-minute time frame, it was okay. No, actually, pre-market highs was sitting at 139.81. So in this particular situation, you take the pivot of 138.30, right? It took that out, so that's great. We want to see that, but we don't want to see what happened to Upstart where it's gapping up dollars. You know what I'm saying? So off the market open, over anything over 139.80 was just a go. It was just a full on go. So the levels that I put in the watch list, that's your pivot. It needs to break that, but we don't want to see it break it by dollars because we don't want to take out the range. We just want to see it break it a little bit, dollar, 50 cents, 30 cents, whatever. Once it gets over that pivot, it's a full send go. So target could have been a go if someone was sitting on this chart right at the open, and they were ready to play it. Obviously now,
Yeah.
141 would need to be taken out, and that's what you're going to be looking at. And then PayPal again. It's you know what's tough? It's tough in a bull market or a bear market when you have great looking charts, but then they just go like they doesn't really give you a real good entry. My ideal entries are like when I put these pivots in and we're gapping down. I love that gap down, or it's a flat open. I like a wash off the morning, and then I like to see it come taking this out in the first 30 minutes or the first hour. Those are beautiful because then you catch that whole move. So like, for example, on PayPal's was the other one. PayPal's pre-market was 63.10. My level was 62.70. So that's perfect. We took out the pivot. We put in a new high here in pre-market of 63.11. So right off the bell, it's just a full send to go here. Over 63.10 into 63.64. You picked up 50 cents. Maybe you're holding a runner now. Average true range is 21 cents. So you doubled that true range on a 5-minute time frame. Should have gone in heavy size, little baby stock here that Biggs likes to play. And then you go in heavy size.
Who's that?
PayPal,
Yeah,
little
man.
baby stock.
Yeah, I like it, man. PayPal's all right.
Yeah,
it's not a great option stock.
Yeah, and then that's how it works. So typically, like if like right now, we got the market kind of running a little bit. You can kind of do your homework in the pre-market, and you can look at like something that had like a daily chart from yesterday that looks great. When you come today on a gap up, look at the hour charts and see what took out yesterday's highs, right? Whatever took out yesterday's highs on a great looking daily chart, on the hourly chart, whatever that pre-market is, if that thing goes, it's time to go, baby. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you can kind of find those names, and you can get those quick winners like that IW.
Man, Leo's got to be cleaning up on that John Deere, dude.
What is the price at right now? How much is it up since when he was in there?
Dude, we were just talking about it. The damn thing was like at 330, and he was like saying that he had it like close to 400. I was like, holy shit, dude. Like, I didn't think he was ever going to get there. But that motherfucker's at 390 now. Look at it. Ripping.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a Dow stock, right?
Yeah, Caterpillar too, man. Those two, man.
Dow's
two
at all-time highs or something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cat and Deer, man. Wait, D, see, I just played the chart, D.
Yeah.
Just play the chart, buddy.
Just play the chart, thanks.
PayPal, Caterpillar, whatever.
Just play
Deer.
If that daily chart looks good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't play options on Deer, man. They're tough. I'm just in common shares.
You could be like,
but Leo's in options. He bought them out like a year ago or something, or like what 2-3 months. Sorry.
Yeah. Remember old Sheppy used to play Deer 100 contracts deep, holding that thing all day.
Oof.
Yeah, PayPal was nice over pre-market high, 62.67.
Dude, PayPal is fucking ripping. Everything's ripping.
It's up $1 from pre-market highs, Jack.
Talk about ripping. Look at ENPHD.
Real dog. Look at that thing, 123 highs. Yeah.
Yeah. What was it? I was shorting it at 97 the other day.
Yeah. Good job, Biggs.
Well, I mean, I got out. No, what was it? No, we were playing it up, right? Right, Putt? I was playing it up.
I hope
so.
I hope so.
Yeah, I did. Remember because that was, we were talking about it because it lost that daily 20.
Yeah.
And we were like, you're like, dude, man, that thing looks like a short. I'm like, yeah, but I'm just playing it for the bounce. And then I got out that day. That was at 97.
So you don't have any of this right now?
No, I just played it that day.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't keep any of it.
Oh.
Yeah, I went in heavy shares, and I was just looking for a day move on it. You know what I mean? Like a intraday move.
Big.
Yeah, I was stretched out, dude. I'm sitting in Caterpillar, Chevron, Deere, PayPal.
Bigs.
So you done today with that $3 Tesla move? You know, shut down and go play golf?
Dude, I want to play some golf so fucking bad. Hey, I don't know if you heard, dude. I fixed my drive. Nice and straight, baby.
That's helpful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah. No, man, I'm sitting here talking to you guys. Haven't even taken a trade yet. Let's see.
No, thought you taking a Tesla break of the overnight.
That's this chart yet. My play will be, since I haven't really looked around at all, my play will be at 7 o'clock. So I'll be waiting for 7 o'clock for something to confirm for me here. When did you get in on the IWM? Right off the open?
Oh no, break of the overnight high.
When was that? Right at the open?
Pretty close.
So, like on the question you were asking about, like on the watch list, how some of them blow it out. Let's say, for example, IWM had a great day yesterday. So if we take the pivot on IWM would have been yesterday's highs, right? So yesterday's highs somewhere close to around 190, 194.05, right? So we know we've got space. We've got space on the daily chart, right? You guys, obviously there's nothing up there anymore. Like you see the gap up, but so how you would play that is you look at the pre-market highs on the hourly chart, 197.80. Okay. So when you're doing your homework, when you come to the market, you don't have to come super early, just come a little bit before the market opens. Look at the 1 hour chart, look at where yesterday's highs are at. Tell yourself, okay, IWM's over yesterday's highs. I already know the daily chart's got room to stretch. Pre-market highs are 197.80. I like this chart. Go down to your 5 minute, look at those pre-market highs, 197.95. Off the bell, it was pulling back a little bit, right? It was pulling back a little bit before the open. Bounces off the 20. As soon as this thing starts rolling through 197.95, you get in. Boom, that's it. That's the play. So that's a good move, right? Took out yesterday's highs. Pre-market put in a high over yesterday's highs. Perfect. Pre-market started pulling back. That's what I was talking about. Like when they pulled back off the new high, and then boom, off the open, shoots through the pre-market highs. You get in, baby, on that thing. As soon as it takes out pre-market highs, you give that thing a little bit of a roll there. You take that bull for a ride. That's how you find those plays like that. Those plays happen a lot, especially when the market's moving. Love those plays. And we got Amazon going the other way here today. Amazon's going the other way. Meta's going the other way. Meta's going the other way. Google.
You got all them big boy stocks, and they made a move already. It seems like,
Yeah.
How much can they keep going? You got all these laggers that are just catching up now.
Oh yeah, they can keep going. All right, thanks. I'll be looking at Google again. Hey, but remember I played a contract of that Google?
Yeah.
Moved slow as shit. Made $36 on one contract yesterday, but moved slow. I do like Google though over first hour highs, pre-market highs looks okay.
Let's check it out.
I'm gonna keep that on watch.
Goog.
I got 133.72.
Goog or Google?
Google with an L. 133.72 first hour highs and 133.85 is a pre-market high. So I kind of like that if it holds. What's that AMD doing? 141. Look at AMD.
Ripping.
140 was a pit. 140 was a pivot. I had this level marked out. This is going back to Tuesday's highs here. Tuesday's highs got blown out of the water. So that's a miss on that. Now I need to wait. I'm gonna move this pivot level up here, 140, 130s. I'll keep my eye on this AMD steamrolling, boy. Look at that Tesla.
What level did you hit? What level did you put on Google? Yeah, I know. I just got to think to load the boat on Tesla.
Pre-market highs are first hour highs. It doesn't matter. It's 10 cents off.
That's what you got. Okay.
Yeah. Gosh.
133.50.
Hey, but the Tesla chart finally looks fucking great though here, boys. Finally looks great. So if I go back all the way to the 5th and 6th of December on this Tesla, we've got a previous area here where it was having some trouble. I got the Bollinger Band sitting there now over 247, over to, what is this? 246.50s. Looks great. 246.50s.
Jeez, Tesla does look good.
Yeah, Tesla looks good
Look at the hourly, man. There's nothing on the hourly.
Put it this way. Put it this way. The daily too. This thing has been such a lagger. Such a lagger.
It's been consolidating.
I mean, everything's been ripping. Everything's been doing whatever. This thing hasn't done nothing. We get this thing to start waking up over 247, boys. This thing's gonna shoot. This thing's gonna shoot. This might make someone's year here, guys. If you've had a red year, you might be able to make it all back on this one play. Hold this SOB till the end of the year, you know. What about my about my futures players here? What do you guys got? It's got something going? Nothing.
Get my ass kicked on the latest 20 here.
Nothing. You're in long over 58s, huh? Is that what you're in, Putt?
No, I took the second break up.
Shit, Putt.
About to get stopped out here.
Where's your stop? Below 31s?
32 even.
But I don't really like playing these I don't like playing these futures this early in the morning. I haven't really been I haven't liked playing them this early in the morning. Or
I heard you say that.
I was gonna say something this morning, depending on who was on here. Who the hell's on here? Anthem, Burks, Drag, Shift. Okay, for you guys who have been playing these futures, right? I don't want you guys to play. I don't like playing these futures like it's Christmas morning and we're 5 years old running to the tree. I don't like that because it's just the volatility is too much. And if you guys are going your normal size and you're wrong on the first trade of the day, it fucks everything up. Like Biggs made a comment, when you can make money like you did on IWM quick in the morning, it feels great because now you're just piecing together your day on top of that, buddy. You can just manage your P&L, that what you got left on there. But when you go down off the first trade, it screws the emotions up. It makes you want to take more trades. If you guys are going to play anything, I would say within the first hour, play one contract, guys. Even if this thing goes 50 points in your favor on a winner, and you're like thinking, man, I normally play 5. I would have made, $250. I only made, $100 here. I would have made $400. I only made $100 or $50. I don't care. Because if you guys lose, you guys are going to be down 200, 150, 180 off the first one, playing normal size. I would say play one contract in the first hour, and as you see the day set up, then increase your size on those moves that don't go as much, but they're slower and they're more easily manageable. Easily manageable.
Morning.
Who's that? Leo?
Leo, morning.
Leo, you still got some of that John Deere? Biggs is over here tooting your horn a little bit.
Yeah, I still have it. I'm up 7K.
Look at this guy.
I told you.
Yeah,
I knew that position was slamming, dude. I've been watching because I have.
Thanks to Biggs for that little motivation too. Shit, man,
yeah,
I was gonna sell that shit. I sent you a screenshot, Biggs. I was like, damn, 2K down, and I kept buying the dip. It didn't feel right though. It did not feel right.
Powell, man. Powell's your best friend right now, buddy.
Dude, what did they even say yesterday? You
better send Powell something for Christmas, man.
Oh, Powell, for real. for real.
What did they say yesterday? He's not doing no more rate cuts, or what's going on?
No, he said that. They're gonna start talk about lowering rates like four different times over 2024.
Beautiful. Why do you think that is? Anyone have a guess? Think it's because inflation's down? Yeah. What?
Election.
Thank you. Yeah. They want whoever's going to be in office to look fucking great when they take office.
Yeah, markets at all-time highs.
Yeah.
That's okay. Hey,
look what we did for the look at what the Demis did for the economy, guys. I'm in Tesla late, but I'm in Tesla here.
Yeah, I was gonna try to get shares.
I'm tired of everyone making money. Hey, how about this? I know you guys already fucking sold. Biggs, you sold too. How about my old Callaway Golf, baby? $14.30. Get out of here.
I did sell.
Get out of here.
I didn't have
Oh my God! Don't talk about that, D.
Get out of here.
Shit, I sold.
I'm up $1,000 in this fucking position, guys. I'm gonna sell half of it just because. I'm up $1,000 in this fucking position. Leo, I told you they only had one options contract that was ending in January.
Did you have shares? You had shares.
We have 10 options each, man.
Oh, no, I'm sorry, options. Yeah, options.
Yeah. I just sold half of that. I might be getting out of this Tesla too. This thing made a nice little move. Right. See if we can push this 246.50s. 245.73. I'm up about 80 cents on this Tesla here, late to the party. I'm always late to the party, guys. Let's see here, 246.50. Let's get this thing to go. Come on, baby.
Yes, you're not waiting for 7 o'clock.
Yeah, no, it just looked too strong. Just looked too strong, but you know, I mean, it's like, you know,
that was kind of a feel play on that.
Yeah, it's like she called me to go over putt, and I it's like me telling her like, hey, you know what, I got other stuff to do. You know, if I don't go, someone else will. You know, if I don't go, someone else will. That's the way it always works. So let's sell half of this here. That way we lock in something here. Beautiful. Might be done here, guys. What do we got? Futures. Hey, putt. How's the NQ going? NQ's working.
Oh, I got stopped.
Oh, you got stopped. It just turned around, didn't it?
Yep.
It did, but I think we're gonna.
Putt just turned around.
Down there and wicked about a couple points below my stop and turned around.
Yeah.
How much size were you playing?
4 minis, or not minis, micros.
Gosh darn it.
Dude, I forgot about my top step. They just renewed me. I'm like, oh fuck.
So is that what you took it in?
No, this is an Apex.
Oh, you're good then.
Apex Trade of 8, but they just re-upped me on my top step. I didn't want.
Shit.
I forgot to cancel.
Now you got to give these guys another whim.
Pass that thing now.
Yeah,
no shit.
Just take fucking 5 minis here and let's just pass this thing today.
I was thinking about that. Just go minis in that account and see what happens.
There you go. Take it right here on this break.
Yeah.
NQ.
Yeah.
I was telling him, I'm sure you know it, D. I mean, but 408.71 is that mark on the Qs. Is that mark from 2020, that high mark?
Yep.
So you got to think we're gonna go and test that.
Yeah,
I'm not saying in this candle. I'm just saying, you know.
Yeah, no, 408 is going to get tested. Yeah, before any type of pullback. I mean, you might have some ups and downs, but I mean, this thing's definitely going to 408. There's no doubt about that. There's no doubt about that. I got somebody on YouTube asking me who the hell sells signals to trade on Top Step. Guys, if anyone needs signals, just
what signals?
Like
Call outs.
Telling you when to sell?
Call outs, yeah. Like here, buy it. Like NASDAQ, this price, sell this price, sell this price, stop loss, this price. Like, come on, brother. Come on, brother. You know, come on, man.
Like robotic umpires.
Like I don't want to do nothing. Just tell me when to buy and sell. You got that. Just donate your money somewhere else.
Fucking D. My God, Leo, you probably just made like 2K just in the last two candles.
Damn.
The things it was just at 390. Dude. It's almost like 394.
Jesus
What
Christ.
what are you up in that position, brother? Like you might want to think about scaling a little bit of that.
Yeah, you might want to give him a little bit of stock, dude.
I mean, this thing's ran almost 10% in 2 days, dude.
I have 4 different contracts. I have 2, 1K, 3 or 4K, another 700. I might start selling. I don't know which one yet.
How about you sell?
Dude,
how about you sell one of them fucking 4Kers?
Closest one.
Would you sell one?
Yeah,
of them?
yeah, man.
How about you sell one of them 4Kers?
Put some holiday cash in your
But the
pocket,
thing is,
brother.
those are way out. I might start selling the ones with early expiration. I don't know, man.
Yeah, just sell one of the earliest ones.
Yeah, the early expiration, like January
You'll feel
20.
better about selling a couple of them, man. I mean, you got plenty. You know what I mean? You won't miss the boat.
Let me just start selling shit.
I mean, hey, buddy, you do what you want to do. I'm just saying. I mean, I'm not even looking at levels on it. I'm just looking at the fact that this thing's been flying, man. I mean, now to your point, to your what you do have going for you is this is the first confirmation over the daily 50 on this thing. So, which as D's always told me, that's obviously a bullish signal.
Yeah, I'm up $10,000. No, sorry, 90. I'm sorry, 90 on the day.
Yeah, man. So I mean, I would just
sell half of that, dude. That would make me happy. Just sell half of that.
Just on a
sell one of one and sell one of the other. Sell one long-term
expiration. All right, I'm gonna listen to my boy, dude.
Yeah,
nice play, dude. That thing's at 394 right now. Bang, that's a good time to sell a couple. There's 390. Now it's almost 395.
Should I hold the one with the 22 contracts or what? That's expiring January 2024.
You have 22 contracts. Why don't you sell 5 at least? Sell 7 at least.
No, I have more than 22. But I'm saying,
Jesus
all right,
Christ.
All right, let me start.
Just sell something, dude. Just put.
All right, let me just start.
Just tell me you made some cash today, and just sell something before this thing gaps down 10 points tomorrow.
Good stocking stuffers right there.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude! This thing is flying though. It's already at 395.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just start selling. All right, filled. I sold for 2K.
Good job, dude.
Good.
Caterpillar
2K profit bank. Good.
Let me see. What else can I sell here? Damn, I have one for March 15. That's up 4K. Jeez, I want to sell that one. 3 contracts.
Yeah.
There you go, dude. Hey, get rid of that. Merry Christmas, Leo. That boy. Thank you, T-shirt.
Thanks, man. Thanks. All right. Let me see. All right. January 20. I'm selling this other one right here.
There you go. Sell it.
410
call 1400. I'm gonna take profit on this one. 14.
Hey man, now you're gonna feel good about it. Now you're gonna be able to just let your
exactly.
do their thing. Yeah, man, you're good. That was a good play, buddy. Congratulations.
Yeah, congrats, brother. Congrats, brother.
Yeah, appreciate it. Let me see.
Holy cow! Whose cornflakes did Meta piss in?
What's it? Did it explode? Oh, it went the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, yeah, man. What's NVIDIA doing? What we got on that thing? Just from the standpoint.
Sideways.
Yeah, I'm saying like that disconnect, man. A lot of these stocks have been the high flyers, man. I mean, because really AMD was a lagger too. I mean, that thing was $97, $100 for a long time.
If NVIDIA loses 480.81, it's a short through first hour lows here.
Yeah, I mean, what other stocks have been flying? You got Microsoft. What's it doing?
I gotta get out of this fucking Tesla. I gotta get out of these Teslas.
Let's see.
Oh, Microsoft's tanking as well.
That's what I mean. You got all these big boys.
They're pulling tech. They're pulling tech.
Well, what do they call them? The grade 8. Yeah. The Magnificent 7.
Yeah,
Magnificent 7.
Magnificent 7. Who's the grade 8, Biggs?
The grade 8 is the dude. It's Cal Ripken, dude.
Yeah, I know. Dude, that's what I'm saying. You're using fucking baseball references over here. Yeah, boy.
Well, there's a bunch of grade 8s though. You got who's the other dude? The hockey player from the Capitals.
Yeah.
Whatever. I don't know.
I'm looking at this
Dude,
NVIDIA going green to red.
yeah, like those big boys are getting pulled back. Everybody but Tesla.
Yeah, I just
But
sold.
again,
I just sold Tesla. I'm waiting here. The contract's loaded to sit on this fucking NVIDIA through this pivot.
I can't believe EMPH, dude. What a fucking,
Dude, you had fucking 5,000 shares of that thing.
Yeah, right.
Come on, baby. If this NVIDIA goes here, and it works for me, I'm gonna sell most of it at normal, and I'm gonna hold one all fucking day, Bigs. If this thing goes for me, I'm gonna hold one all day. Imagine if I catch one of them 10, 15 point fucking winners on this thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Let me see. What's that?
Yeah, that's a big
Google?
old red candle on the Qs.
That Google went the other way too.
Where's my futures
Oh,
guys at?
yeah, Google definitely.
Where's my futures guys at? We're at this floor here. You're at the day's lows here. Third time it's been down here. You can either do the bigs bounce or you can do the, the shuffle through the 807 if it starts to give that up.
I don't like that last candle. That red candle broke through.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did.
But it's tech. They're just pulling. Oh. Let's see.
Yes, it did.
Yeah, because I mean, fucking Leo. That boy Leo. Good.
Oops.
Apple's still pretty strong though.
Yep.
Slamming Netflix. That's a tough stock to play. Options.
So guys, on the future side, they've broken down through the lows today, and they've broken down through that linear regression. New low is 16,803. That would be your second entry to try to give it a little bit of a stab to see if they want to pull it. If not, it's going to do one of those big shuffles here off the linear regression for a little bit. But anytime we lose 16,803 might be worth a go on that second whirlwind. Being that it did confirm the 20. So here's how I look at that, right? Because like a lot of the shit that I put out on YouTube is like, okay, wait for the 20, confirm, get in, blah, blah, blah. That's basic, right? That's basic. So you guys can, or so people out there who are watching just have something to follow that they can just stick to, right? When you get a little bit more advanced and you start looking at like the fine print, right? You always got to read the fine print. This confirmed 20 play, is there any room in that trade? The answer is no, because the support is sitting at the linear regression at 807. So what you need to see have happen is the 20 play gets confirmed, breaks the support, puts in the new low. Now 803 becomes your second entry. So if 803 gets confirmed, that would be your entry. And if that one fails, you get out, right? And as far as a stop, what we're using, we're not going to use a 1-bar stop. We're going to use any close back over the linear regression or that 200 EMA, whatever's down there. That's how you play that like low of day break, just for a reference, you know. Yeah, so 16,000. This Bollinger Bands on the hourly chart are getting tight, boys. 16,805 is 5 a.m. my times lows. That'd be something to watch. Look at that little bigs bounce off the lows.
My bounce. Yeah. It's got some work to do right here, though. It's going to battle into this my 1030 candle here.
I'm not concerned about it. I don't know if it's going anywhere right now.
Yeah.
You know? A little bit of
a little bit. I mean, depending, like I said, this 1030 candle, man, I got us undersupplied.
Pinched or under?
Yeah, well, it was pinched, but now we're starting to get pushed under right here. So this is these next 15 minutes. So what is that? 5 minutes. So it's going to determine whether or not we can get back up over some of the supply and keep pushing higher, or else there's going to be more pressure down. I think at least maybe to test 403s, 403.70 maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Well, there ain't much going on the NQ, but at about 6:30 Central, oil had one of the greatest 20 plays set up that you could have hoped for.
Did you catch it?
I wish I did. I wasn't up yet. Look at the chart.
To the upside, huh?
Yeah, huge.
Yeah. Because you look at D. I would say, well, we're just kind of looking around, dude. I was gonna put this in the thing. I was telling Putt about this. Look at Oxy's daily chart over like 5 years. Pan out on that.
You want me to go way back, huh?
Yeah, just go way back. Like zoom out on that.
Okay.
Look at how many times it touched 55.
Yeah, I see that. 55.
And then the other day, that's where it was. It was at 55. I was like, oh man, this is one of my plays right here.
Yeah. Did you go?
And I was like, no, I didn't, because I was already in Chevron. I was like, man, I didn't want to. I was just, yeah, I didn't do it. I just was going to watch it because it was already up like 2% that in the pre-market that day. So I was like, let me just watch it. But if it comes back down to 55, I'm interested, you know.
Yeah.
And then it never came back. But man, that thing took off, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, so nice 4 points. Low 5%. Could have a nice 5% common play in fucking 2 days.
Mhm.
Take that with good size, you know. Struggling in this spot right here.
Yeah. Just keeping an eye on these fucking lows. Someone's posting gains. One quick trade. Drac. I hope I'm saying that right. Drac.
Yeah, Drac is right.
Okay, perfect.
Y'all have a good day, man. Stay green.
All right. Take care, buddy. What do we got on the board, guys? What do we got? That's something we're looking at. No.
Not really. Man, that Google was good down. Jeez.
Yeah, I just seen that right now.
AMD still pushing higher.
No shit.
What are you selling, D?
No, I got alerts coming in for just different levels.
Oh, buddy.
Starting to break that 16803, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, coming right down to this Bollinger Band that's coming up on the hourly chart here at 770s.
Look at that. And just like that for Leo,
What's that?
Deere he sold at 395 and it's at 390. I know
You
it's,
see what I'm saying?
but I know, you know, I mean, it could still do its thing or whatever. I mean, but
That's
you
what
know,
I'm saying though. It got
Guys, I sold three different sets of contracts. I'm good.
good.
I have
yeah, that's good.
contracts
That's what.
sitting. I'm holding that. I'm happy. If I lose every dime on that, I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
No, that's what I mean. You're good. You're good. Like that was a good sell because you took good money off the table when it was 5 points higher. That was good.
Yeah, exactly. So thank you, my boy Biggs. And, well, thanks to my wife because she was kicking my ass to sell.
Yeah.
But yeah, I could finally fix my fucking mouth.
There you go.
that was the plan. That's from my mouth.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, now you feel better about what the ones you're holding. It's like, all right, man, cool. You can let them kind of wiggle a little bit.
Whatever it was at that in 395 hit the daily 200 and it hit the weekly 50 SMA. So that's a perfect sell spot there. Now we're looking at next week taking out 396, room to 406. So if we take out 396 next week, Leo, that's when you want to sell more into 406 next week, into 400s next week.
Oh damn! I end up selling every fucking thing. I forgot I set a stop loss on the contract. This shit triggered. It doesn't matter. I don't give a fuck. I'm happy.
What triggered the Deere?
I said I was confused on which one to close, so I closed out the ones. Should I explain it, bro?
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I got you.
And I was like, I go to zero. But anyway, I 10%. If it's pulled back 10%, it sells automatically. It did. I don't give a fuck.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
I'm happy.
Yeah, there you go.
You can never go broke taking a profit.
That's right.
No, man, heck no. Well, I mean, you can always. There's nothing to say you can't play the thing again. You know what I mean? Like if you find something you like on the chart, it's okay.
How come was that $7,000? Is
shit, yeah.
1,300. I'm happy. Good.
Not a bad day's work, man.
But one thing though, bro, y'all probably gonna laugh at me. This is actually my fucking rat, and I'm thinking like, oh the fuck, I want to take this fucking money out because I want to fix my mouth. I know the tax, the tax on rat IRA. Thought on that.
Yeah, man, you can feel whatever you want out. You just, I mean. Most of the time, like what? Go ahead.
Should I just wait till January before I pull some out to avoid the tax hit?
Well, I mean, if you're in a Roth, I mean, it all depends on how you look at it, man. You know what I mean? If you want to pay the taxes out because you want some of that money, then take you some. You know what I mean? It ain't no big deal. It all just depends on what your long term situation is. You know what I mean?
Right.
Okay. But I mean, shit, I've pulled out of a Roth before. Just pull out early.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I can't help you. I don't have a Roth.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. But some people like for you, if you had 50 grand sitting in a Roth right now, you would probably be like, dude, just give me that money. I'll take the penalty and I want to trade with it. I'll make up the 10%.
Trust me. I'll do that in a heartbeat.
Right, that's what I mean.
They ain't holding none of my money, Biggs. They fucking taken enough over the fucking years.
Paid enough. They want to hold your money, man.
They want to hold it. They want you to pay taxes. Okay, fine, get your money, but I'm gonna put mine in my pocket.
Throw everybody in the old 401k.
Okay.
That thing's like the worst. That was the worst thing they could have done for people.
Yeah, tell them to fuck off.
Get rid of the pensions and 401ks.
I'll make it back anyways. You ain't gonna hold my money.
But again, man, everybody's different, right? I mean, most people, if they work a 9 to 5, they just contribute that 401k. That's money they don't even think about, But I mean, for me, I mean, I'll dip in there. Yeah, I want to live. I want to live.
Yeah, it ain't
All
doing
right,
it ain't doing you no good sitting there waiting until 65, 70 years old, and fucking
Right?
way I'm
Like,
going, I might not even make it that far, Biggs. You know what I'm
that
saying?
can't sue. Come on.
These fucking sons of
Like,
bitches,
like, it's crazy. They want you to
yeah.
enjoy that money when you're drinking all that canned soups. Like, fuck.
Mhm.
Crazy.
Yeah,
All
right.
right.
Yeah. It's like
All
having
right.
like a nice toy, but you can't touch it.
yeah. What good is
Just
that?
look at it through
What
glass.
good is that gonna do?
But again, it fits people. I get it. I mean, it's definitely. I think it's just to each their own on what their in game plan is, or some people
Look
make
at
plenty of money, but they just look to save on taxes to stash money places. You know what I
Look at
mean?
if you're working a normal 9 to 5 and you're gonna do that until you retire, until the end of time, and you want to have money, definitely save so you can live. God forbid you
Yeah,
need some
for sure.
caregiving or something when you get older. Yeah, sure. But in this business, like I'm talking about, as far as trading in this industry, they ain't holding none of my fucking money. I'll tell you that much right now. I'll make it back. Like I'll pay what I need to pay, but I need that money to work. Like I don't got money, I can't work. Right. So it's like, I need that money. So I'm going to take my money. I got to live off that money. So I need that money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. The biggest thing you want to do is you just want to plan when I don't know, whatever you're plan on taking the withdrawals on years where you don't make as much money. If I don't know, you're self-employed or something like that. You know what I mean? So you got to find ways to. So if you take out 20K, you're not. You don't take it out on a big year, then now you get smacked with taxes. You can take it out on a year maybe where you didn't do as well, and you might be able to. You might be able to wash some of those capital, gains and shit like that, or just net income for that year. You know what I mean? Because that's going to be added to your overall income, whatever you take out. If you make 80 grand, you take out 20. Well, you've made 100.
Yeah.
So you just got to plan for that. That you're going to add whatever on top of your yearly gross.
I just want to fix my fucking.
But small increments is good. Take out a couple grand, man. Go buy yourself something nice. God, I mean, what are you going to pay penalty on $2,000 in a Roth? Not much.
Yeah.
So, I mean, who cares? Take it out if you want to take it out.
All right, bro.
All right, buddy.
Clear though. I ain't going nowhere. I'm listening.
Oh, yeah. We're holding that floor so far.
Yeah, we're in 100-point range
I
here
got
in
it.
the
I
market.
got that also at that's yesterday's highs we're at right now. So we're down testing yesterday's highs right here.
Yeah.
I mean, right on it. I got yesterday's highs at 404.36 on the Qs.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're an hour in again. We're an hour in, boys, and you can see that the market's kind of going up and it's come right back down to this range. So it's put in a floor, it's put in a high. Your range is 16,786 to 16,877. That's the range you want to play in until this range starts to get confirmed on either side. And you'll know when it's confirmed when it breaks down and then actually is holding below that price action, below that level. So we're at this floor here. If we do break, 786 again, is it worth a little bit of a short? Sure, maybe, but I would treat it as a scalp and just try to hold on, for dear life and take some profits on the way down. I really wouldn't be looking for some specific type of, I need to make X amount of points on this. Because your 20 is flat dab in the middle of this range here. So, and so far 120 play has gotten stopped out long. 120 play, it's not stopped out, but I mean, it's like grinding is what I'm saying to the short side here. So, 16,813 to 16,851. So you're looking at almost like 30 something points, 37 something points that you would need to get on a true 1-to-1. If it 813 down to 786, you're a little shy of that. So like, would you take profits here? Like, I don't know if anyone took the short. Like, if anyone's in, like, if this is me, and this is I'm fucking high strung. But if I was in on this short play and it already kind of bounced against me and I was in drawdown and it's coming down and it's trickling again, depending on how many contracts I had, let's say I had 3, I'm selling 2. I'm holding 1 right now. That's it. That's all I would be doing. I'm selling 2, holding 1 if it breaks. I don't know if any of you guys are in on the short play or not, but you know, do you want to give it all back and tell yourself, oh, hey, you know, if I get stopped out, I was going to get stopped out anyways. Yeah, sure. But you can also increase that win rate, increase that profitability by taking some fucking money and then waiting for another play or whatever. And at least if it does break, you got 1 on the table still that you're holding. Come on. What the hell?
What's that NVIDIA doing for you?
It's just hanging out down there on the floor. I'm up a little bit here, but it's giving me a little bit of trouble. I'm up, but it's not flushing.
Netflix is breaking down. Has broke down. I bet you that Google's fucking toast too. Yeah, look at that thing. Jeez.
What I don't like on the futures, guys, is that it keeps wicking below these low of days and bouncing. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's not really, there's like no conviction to the downside. It's taken out the lows 3 times and it's kind of wicked, bounced, wicked, bounced, wicked, bounced. I don't like that. I like it when it goes. If it's not going, Clayton Kershaw says he hasn't decided whether or not we'll re-sign him. Get his ass out of there, boy. Jeez, I'm tired of watching that guy blow a playoff series.
Tesla, man, still going.
Yeah, I wish I should have held that.
You were talking about over 47, right?
Yeah, over 46, yeah.
46.
Mm-hmm. Touched highs of 48.
Bang, there comes a candle too. Look at this one. Boom, look at it.
Yeah.
Look at Tesla.
Yeah, I see that. This thing's got room all the way up to 50.
Wow.
I'm gonna have to get out of this NVIDIA here. I just don't like it.
It's holding this floor right here.
It's holding this floor.
It's trying though. It's trying to fucking pull it, but
I'm back at break even on this thing.
This is what it's been doing, man. It traps them fucking shorts.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Oh yeah, shorts have been getting trapped for a month and a half now.
I've been on some of it.
Yeah.
You know, you try to pick us. I mean, I'm sure everybody play options.
Mm-hmm. I might be on it right
What
now.
I don't get though is you get some people, man, they're just straight bear.
Yeah, like there's if you
You
look
know,
around
where
social
it's like,
media, some of these guys
it's
think
like,
that
dude,
this.
why don't you just flip over, man? Once you figure out what's happening,
Because
I don't understand.
They don't want to be wrong, man. They want to believe what they want to believe, and it's like you can't convince them otherwise, man. It's like all this
Tesla just jumped fucking 2.5 points with us just talking right here. Go ahead though.
All this nickel and diming that they're doing, trying to it can't go higher. It's time to start shorting. It's like, dude, if you would have just came in every day and say, I'll just buy over the previous day high, you would have made money at least 25 days out of the past 35 days. You know, this fucking it's like, dude, just go with the day's trend. The day's trend is still long, so that's still telling you buy the fucking dip. Like, buy the dip if you're on the stock side of things. Now, if you're a scalper, it's different, you know, but what I'm saying is, like, if you're like a trader, you know, like, come on now. Oh, here it goes now, the futures. Let's see if this one wants to go. I'm gonna take a little stab at this one, guys. If I get stopped out of this, I'm probably gonna use, like, I don't know. If I start getting back over this 5 or linear regression, I'm gonna have to get out. Which is probably, it's probably not the best fucking move, you know, that I could have gone in. So many times it's wicked below, wicked below, wicked below bounce, wicked below bounce. I'm gonna have a quick trigger finger on here if I start making some good cash. NVIDIA's coming down here to this floor. And it's having trouble. NQ's wicking back again. Jeez. Come on, baby. Be nice.
Boys, can you hear me all right?
There you go.
Be nice. I don't know who was talking, but
I just took 20 points. This is
Let's
first.
go.
I just on that, yeah.
I'm out. Played it. Anyways, you took 20 points,
Sir.
Good. Are you green on the day? Because again, this day worries me, because this is like a day where guys get chopped to shit. Are you green on the day?
Yeah, that's the only trade I took.
Okay,
so.
Good. Jeez, yeah, this type of day like this, where it's like giving you the setups and it's going down a little bit, coming right back, going down a little bit, coming right back. It's like if you're not just sitting in very, very small size, you're getting toasted, right? Because you're playing the P&L. And then if you're playing like the low of day break, this, that, and the other, it twice, it kind of wicked and then came back a little bit, and then wicked and came back a little bit. Yeah, okay. My NVIDIA finally fucking broke down. I'm selling out of this, guys. I'm selling out of this.
There you go.
Biggs, you didn't take none of this with me?
No, man.
3 years fucking later, you're still not fucking listening to me.
I wasn't playing any options, man. I made good money already. I don't want to. I'm not really quick to jump in anything right now.
Let's get down to this runner on this NVIDIA and hold this thing all day, huh, Biggs?
Yeah.
We'll take it down to 1 and let it ride, baby. Let it ride. I got a price target on NVIDIA 475 today, fellas. If I get 475 today, I'm out on one runner. Where's my man 3-putt at?
I'm here.
Yeah, how we looking, 3-putt?
Well, I'm done with that futures account for today.
Failed it?
Huh?
You did you fail an account?
Oh no, I mean I
Oh, you're
just
talking about
got whacked on
from that first
that
one?
drop out earlier. That's enough on that account.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll jack around with this new Top Step account now.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there, what, Biggs?
There you go. I said right there. Take your whatever it is, mini.
Oh yeah.
Take your 3 minis right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Putt, so here we go again. That first one that you took got stopped. That second one short actually hit 1-1. Took fucking long enough, but it hit. 40 points, I believe. Opened at 16,849, or the high 850 to the low of 813. So from 813 down to 76. Oh no, that didn't hit.
Let's see how low that would be.
I need you know what I need? I need someone to build a script so I don't have to fucking do this math in my head, to be honest. Like
37.
like how much, like I need the math quickly. So 813, right?
About 76,
402.31.
75.
How much was that?
Oh, yeah, that got it.
It got it. 16,766.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was
76.
that was 47 points. Yeah, so we were only looking at a 40-point stop loss and we got 47 out of it. So it would have hit.
Yeah, 37.
30.
You see that note I put on your
Yeah, and I'm an idiot. Yeah, I know that it's up there, but like, God, some of these people were asking these questions that I'm just like, well, what the hell, man? It's like, so, I didn't even look at it. Yeah, but up in the left hand corner, you got the box there. I just never look at it. You know, I'm just such a visual guy where it's like, hey, like if I drop my line on the screen, well, I need to see it break through. Like I need to see it break through. You know, it's not that.
Gotcha.
I mean, that guy got me.
I figured you knew, but I just figured I remind you.
Oh yeah, I know. Then that helped because that's the only reason why I started looking at it. I'm like, okay, yeah, he was right. I mean, that guy got me by a tick, Putt. That guy got me by 2 ticks on that thing. You know, he's like, wait a minute. You said this would never confirm. There's 2 ticks. I'm like, holy shit, man. If we're gonna get crazy on fucking 2 ticks here, okay, then if you literally let the candle close and you put it straight to whatever that was to the tick, yes, then technically yes, you were in that play, and yeah, you got stopped. Like, okay, so you lost 25 points on that, but there was 100 points that could have been taken overall in the day. So what are we talking about here? And that's another reason too why, like, I'm just visual like that. It's just like, if I was so hell bent on the exact tick, I need to get in here, I need to take profits here, man, I'd be screwed left and right half the time. It's like when I drop this price level, it needs to break. Like, so I'm not just waiting for it. Oh my God, it's almost there. Oh, it looks like it's there. No. Break through, man. Like, come through that line. You know, if it's not going to come through that line, more than likely I'm probably going to lose anyways on it. Whoa. You got oil coming back the other way.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know what that looks like on a big chart, but it's coming right into the lost to 20, and it's got a Bollinger Band down here at 71.53. Tesla went all the way to 249. Oh. Old Big's bottom on Meta. What do you think about that, Biggs? Take a look at the hourly. Take a look at the 5. What do you see? Anything?
Let's see.
You see anything on
Meta?
that? Daily chart looks like it's got still got more room down though. But
yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's 327s. 327.30 on that thing, man. Then maybe.
Yeah. But the 5 and hourly is ready though.
Yeah. Like for me, I just lost. Last hour lost. Again, church a little different, but last hour lost to 50. This hour confirmed it on mine.
Yeah.
On the hourly.
Mm-hmm.
But I do have support at 329.62.
Nothing there is what you're telling me. Look at them. Look at the goog. Look at the goog.
It's pinched.
The goog.
Meta's pinched, dude.
Oh yeah.
No, no, the goog is.
The goog.
Dude, that thing's
man.
smoked.
I had goog going long and levels going long. And that thing came back short.
Yeah, that thing got roasted.
Yeah, they did. They roasted about $2 below the first hour lows. What else? What are some of those small cap stocks? Let's see what people are talking about. People are talking about SoFi on StockTwits. SoFi's up 40 cents and it pulled all the way back. So it was up 40 cents, or it was actually up 80 cents and pulled back 40. What else? They're talking about your EMPH.
That thing pulled back.
mRNA, they're talking about that thing shot up off the gates. That thing went to 94 today.
Moderna?
No, Moderna.
No.
Moderna. I don't know why people are buying this fucking junk. Moderna over 89 today, went all the way to 94 and pulled all the way back. It's at 87 now. But what I'm saying is that move was insane.
Yeah.
That's the thing though. These guys start talking about this stuff, but it's like they're late, man. It's like why is it still on the board, dude?
Mm-hmm.
It's like someone said, hey, listen to this bullshit. That's why I don't go on this fucking site anymore. Someone says, are you long? I'm still here, buddy, hanging on. And it's like, dude, shit pull. Like, who's he talking to, for one? And second, bullish with the rocket emoji.
Hang on, man.
I'm like, what the hell? Someone says mRNA, just hang on to 2025. We still got this. Like, come on, man. Let's go. Short squeeze. mRNA. There's people out there that talk like this. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus. They're still talking about CCL.
What's it doing?
Earnings report pushes over 20. I don't know. They're talking about earnings or something. CCL.
No.
I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. It's up 69 cents. It's at 19. It's holding up there. Talking about Rocket Mortgage, Biggs. Remember that one?
Yeah, Rocket Mortgage.
Bullish. Just a bunch of bullish. I am bullish.
Rockets and everything. No moonshots?
Hopefully it maintains this price for the next big run up.
Absolutely. I hope so too.
Yeah. You have some?
I hope so too. No. What stock is it?
Rocket Mortgage, man.
Oh, no.
We're looking for a breakout spot. Should be around 1330. So let's see what they're looking at on this. Let's see what they see. 1330, they said, is the breakout spot. They're smoking crack. I'll tell you that much right now.
See, Putt, you'd have passed your eval if you took them micros, like I told you, or the minis.
Yeah, these guys are high, man. 1330. We're looking for a breakout at 1330, is what they're saying. The thing's off the floor since 7, and they're looking for a breakout now.
Mm-hmm.
What happened, Putt?
Oh, I put in an order for the AMD 20 play, hit limit and just submit, and it just blew through and never filled me.
AMD back over the 20 or underneath?
Underneath.
Under the 20. I mean, it hasn't moved a lot, but 20 cents or so, 25 cents.
It might have saved you though, dude, because if this Q's bounces here, this thing's gonna bounce right off this 50.
Yeah.
I'd take that.
Yeah, absolutely. I didn't know that you were that far up on it, but yeah, heck yeah.
Yeah, because this would have been like a good profit-taking zone. You get in on that, boom, you take your profits right there at that 50.
Yeah, that would have been it. So if you did sell that was perfect.
If I gotten in, I would have, but oh well.
Oh yeah, I hear you. That's all right, man.
I like three putt playing more of the options, Biggs. I like that.
Yeah.
Get these futures boys in here on the futures. We'll get them over to the options side, Biggs.
No common shares for you, Putt, huh? You don't hold no commons in anything like whatever. Like I don't know.
No, I don't trade the commons.
I got you.
I just got in retirement stuff like you guys were talking about. I got the ETFs and shit in there.
Yeah, for sure, man. Those dividends. Yeah, I got you. Yep.
Biggs is still looking for a friend to trade commons with. That's why.
I am, man.
Yeah, I don't have that big account like him.
Hey, it's not as big as you think, but
Big's been.
But I mean, you gotta. Yeah, whatever. I mean, obviously, I'm able to just. The only reason I trade him is because I get on the margin with him.
Yeah, better you managing that money than someone else, Biggs.
Yeah, man.
Biggs, maybe when you have like a really good year trading that account over there, you should call that old money manager of yours and just give him a little piece of your mind, Biggs.
Well, that's what I was saying. I was giving him a piece of my mind when I was making all that money back in 2020, but then it kind of backfired on me.
Yeah, he probably called you back and said, "Hey, what happened, buddy? You should have kept your money safe with me."
I know. I was like, this motherfucker, he's been having me in all this bullshit, man. I made more money than him in 2 weeks than he made me in 5 years.
Yeah. Those guys are real low and slow, Biggs. Those guys are real low and
slow.
Well,
the thing is I mean, like we said, there's a place because most people don't want to pay no attention to that. They don't know about it. It works for them, long haul type of stuff. But most of them guys, the problem I had with it was I wanted to use my money to enjoy things that I do in my life. I didn't want him to just think that it just could never be touched. And that's kind of how he was. He was like, oh, what? You call him for $500, dude. It's like, just transfer the fucking money, man. Like, don't be asking what it's for.
Yeah. Dude, I'm going down to the water hole. Just pass the fucking money.
Right, that's what bothered me. You know what I mean? It was like, dude, you're not like, I'm not borrowing this money from you, man. Like, just transfer it. Like.